Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we have some exciting news about the highly anticipated DJI Mavic 4 Pro. A recently leaked image gives us the most detailed look yet at this rumored drone's camera module, and it takes on a new form compared to the Mavic 3 Pro. Exciting DJI Mavic 4 Pro leak. The Mavic 3 Pro, which we awarded the 2023 Camera of the Year, is our favorite premium camera drone. It was the first consumer drone with a triple camera module, featuring 24mm, 70mm, and 166mm lenses. But the leaked images of the Mavic 4 Pro show a camera module that looks quite different. Triple camera module upgraded. The most apparent change from the leaked pictures shared by reliable leaker at Quadro News on X, formerly Twitter, is that the Mavic 4 Pro's Hasselblad-branded camera module is larger and more bulbous. This could mean significant improvements. Larger Hasselblad camera module. One possible improvement is enhanced image quality, though we don't yet know if there are all new image sensors for the three cameras. The Mavic 3 Pro has a primary 24mm camera with a large 20MP for third sensor, a 3x telephoto camera with a 1/1.3-inch sensor, and a 7x telephoto camera with a smaller half-an-inch sensor. The physically larger unit in the leaked images suggests improved lenses, at the very least. Prototype speculation. DJI fans have responded positively to the potential camera improvements, with previous rumors also hinting at improved battery life. However, they are less enthusiastic about the rumored Mavic 4 Pro's appearance, and I have to agree. Mixed reactions. Sure, a prototype will lack the finesse of a finished product, but based on the leaked images, DJI has clearly prioritized function over form. The Mavic 4 Pro appears to be a beastly pro drone. Function over form? Early talk suggested that the Mavic 4 Pro would launch alongside the new DJI Flip. However, only the Flip was announced today, and the Mavic 4 Pro launch date speculation is quiet for now. This suggests we have a little longer to wait to find out more about its potentially class-leading new camera module.